And now we come to the wind, baby and child. Out of all three personalities, the maximum attention and care is needed for a wind child. Wind is formed by two feeling elements, air and space. Now, what is the quality of air? It is always moving. Space is expansive. So, lot of space in their mind and they keep on moving. And in this personality, sympathetic nervous system dominates, which is also responsible for stress response. In the womb, they are very restless. They don't kick vigorously, but they kick very frequently because movement is always on. And when they are born, they don't feed regularly. It is very difficult to form a routine because of the movement of air in them. They wake up quite frequently in the night. And also generally, their extremities, their hands and feet are colder than the fire or earth's children. But if they are given a warm environment, both physically and emotionally, they will become the most creative adults. So you look into creativity in any field, that is a result of wind. So a healthy wind is creative and can maintain a good physical and mental health. If they become imbalanced, these kind of children can develop anxiety, panic attack. They can become withdrawn, stressed out. They feel cold. Their digestion will be poor and they may develop symptoms of emotional or mental health problems. These are the children in a school who will be diagnosed with ADHD and they will be treated by medication. Of course, in some children, medication may be necessary, but in many it is not needed because this is their innate personality. That is why this type of somatic personality is the most fragile, most delicate. And that is why one has to be very patient with them. So to maintain their health, to bring the balance in them, they must not live in a stressful environment. They have to sleep for a longer period of time. In comparison of fire and earth, they need to sleep in the bed with parents and sometimes for a long period of time. Their food should be such which is heavy, calming down, warm and lot of liquids because their system becomes dry very quickly. These are the children who should be fed more frequently because if they miss a meal, they become anxious. Exercise in them must be mild to moderate maximum. They must not be put in competitive activities too much, where there are deadlines, lots of projects, because that will stress them out. Because their sympathetic nervous system is already hyperactive. So they must be given goal, but very relaxed goals. They must be given challenge, but mild challenge, because they cannot do the same activities as the earth or a fire child. It needs lot of nurture, both physical and emotional. And if that happens, these children grow into great creative human beings in various fields.